Hey, good morning traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at Alibaba Group. Ticker symbol is BABA, B-A-B-A, and I want to show you kind of what I'm seeing in the chart and where I think BABA is going next. Okay, so let's jump right in. So first and foremost, what I see is a triangle here, and I see an A, B, C, D, E. Now, another thing I see is this inside pattern of this descending wedge, right? There you go. So I see this kind of descending wedge. Now, based on, and then we could actually even take that, yeah, no, that's perfect. So let's now do a measured move on that wedge and see what we get. So we would be there. So on the breakout, provided there, that was the gap up breakout on that day. So we broke out from here. That would take us up to about 128. But what I think is likely going to happen, especially based on this wick, so let me move that over to 128. Actually, we'll mark that in just a second, is I think we're going to come back down. Well, there's two things that could happen. Obviously, this thing can just start going, right? And it can just do something like this, and then boom, boom. So that would be one scenario. Another scenario is we would come back in based on this wick right here. We'd come back in, test this 150 day, and then make our breakout, right? So I like, both of these scenarios are highly probable. Really just depends on kind of what we see next week, but I like this increasing volume. I like RSI, how it's just getting to 71, just starting to get into the oversold territory. So both, again, we could check back and then come back here, like I said, to the 150 and then explode. If it does that, I think that's a phenomenal entry right there. So I'm gonna mark that real quick as an entry opportunity right here. If we get that pullback right there to that 150 day, I like that. I also like letting it break out and waiting for that retrace, because it will happen. With these stocks, these China stocks are highly volatile. You can see, and by the way, I'm on the 24-hour to smooth things out. If I go to the daily, the gaps even become bigger, right? So this thing bounces all over the place. It's forever gapping. But when you go to the 24-hour, kind of smooths it out a little bit. So yeah, so I like one, I'm bullish obviously on BABA and the whole China sector for the China Internet plays. Let me show you KWEB and show you kind of what I see here too. So you have this one I really like. So we're inside this, let me just show this big channel we're in. So we're in this larger channel, and so this is the KWEB. This is the Crane Shares Trust, has all the internet stocks. It's the ETF for China. So you can see we're basically contained inside this this parallel. You can see we've had a couple overthrows, but what we're really kind of seeing right now is really some bullish price action and a move higher. So we have this flagpole, you have this bullish consolidation, right? You have this, boom, you have that flag right there, and we're just now breaking out. So again, both of these, I mean, they look great. So I think, hopefully we get a little check back here, because I'd like to retest this triangle and get back into a long dated call option on KWEB. I think the premium is not bad, and it's very, very lucrative. I like playing it that way. But anyways, I jumped over here to show you kind of all of the Chinese internet stocks are I think about to take off. Another one is IQ. Look at that. This one's a great opportunity. I mean, this one is just, I think this one's on the verge of exploding. So let me show you this. You can see they have I've been following it for years, but you can see we've been in this massive downtrend from about $8, and here we are here going to, let me just show you what I'm just kind of seeing here. If we do that, we literally just broke out. So I love this one. In fact, I'm probably going to do a separate video on this one. But yeah, this descending wedge, oh, that's a thing of beauty. So we just broke out on good volume. So will we get some follow through on Monday, or will we see, pull back here? Again, both are phenomenal setups. Love this. I got in a little early. I got in when we started holding the 9 and the 20 here. So I got in from about 185, but it's not too much higher now. So there's a massive opportunity here. This one I really like, guys. But yeah, all these look really good. Baidu, kind of the same thing. So you got really good price action here. We just had a breakout of this resistance, and you can see we already back tested it. And that's what I mean by breakout, like this, breakout and back test. Like we could break out quick and then back test, and then it, you know. So I think this one might even get one more back test. But I love this area on Baidu. So I'm long the name as well. So let's go back to Baba. And kind of show you what I'm seeing here. So we could break out and then back test, or like I said, come back to retest this 9 and 20, and great entry points. But Bullish, the name, Bullish Internet ETF, or Bullish China Internet place in general. And yeah, that's kind of how I see it. So hopefully you guys found value in this video and the technical analysis today. Drop a like, drop a comment, show me some love. I love doing these for you guys. I love putting these things on your radar, and I love making money with you guys. So until next time, have a good one, guys. Cheers. Bye.